Apple cider vinegar has many uses and is consumed worldwide. It can be used for cooking, in the home, for aesthetic purposes, and as a natural medicine. Although it's easily available in supermarkets with different brands and prices, the industrially produced versions may not be the healthiest option. Therefore, in today's video, we will show you how to make your own apple cider vinegar naturally at home. To make apple cider vinegar at home, you'll need 2 large, preferably organic apples with perfect skin, free of spots or bruises. After washing, peeling, coring, and cutting them into small pieces, put the apples in a blender with some water. The amount of water depends on the number of apples, and it should be enough to cover at least half of the chopped apples. Blend until the apples are well chopped, and then transfer the mixture to a glass bottle, leaving some space for fermentation to occur. After 4 to 6 weeks of leaving the bottle in the sun at room temperature, between 18 and 30 C, fermentation should take place. Place the bottle in a wide container, cover it with a clean cloth, and leave it in the sun for up to 3 days. Filter the vinegar and put it in a dark glass bottle. Your homemade apple cider vinegar is ready to use. Although making apple cider vinegar at home is time-consuming, it's well worth the effort. If you've made apple cider vinegar at home before, share your recipe with us. And if you try this recipe, please share your experience with us. Your opinion is valuable to us and helps us to know that we're contributing to your health. If you find this video useful, please like and share it with others who want to learn this recipe.